In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will discuss 3 cube root of unity and 4th cube root of unity. As we know that square root of 1 mean unity or 2, 1 and minus 1. Similarly, cube root of 1 unity or 3, and these can be calculated as, let x be the cube root of unity, then 1 cube root is equal to x, taking cube on both sides, so 1 is equal to x cube. Rearrange the term, that is x cube is equal to 1 and x cube is equal to minus 1, whole cube is equal to 0. So this is the formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube can also be opened in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. It means x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to plus 1, that is the first rule. Next, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1 by using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By substitution the values in quadratic formula a, b, c. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4a 1 c 1 divided by 2 into a b 1 is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Cube root of unity 1 or 1 minus 1 plus under root of minus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to omega minus 1 minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to omega square. These are 4 properties of cube root of unity, that is 1 omega square. Each complex cube root of unity is square of the other. If minus 1 plus under root of minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to omega, then minus 1 minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to omega square, and the sum of all the 3 cube root of unity is 0, 1, that is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. The product of all the 3 cube root of unity is 1, that is 1 dot omega square is equal to 1, implies that omega cube is equal to 1 for any n belong to integer. Omega power n is equivalent to 1 of the cube root of unity, that is omega power 4 is equal to omega cube dot omega cube is equal to 1 dot omega is also equal to omega power minus 5 is equal to 1 divided by omega power 5 is equal to 1 divided by omega power 5 can also be converted in the form of omega 3 dot omega square is equal to, so omega power 3 is equal to 1 dot omega square, so equal to 1 divided by omega square multiplying and dividing by omega, so omega divided by omega square dot omega is equal to omega cube, so value of omega cube is equal to 1, omega divided by 1 which is also equal to omega. For fourth root of unity, that is, let x be 4/4 root of unity, 1/4 root is equal to x, so taking power 4 on both sides, x power 4 is equal to 1, x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 1, so 1 square is also equal to 1, so x power 4 can also be written in the form of x square whole square, so x square whole square minus 1 square equal to 0. So this is the formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, so x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. X square plus 1 is equal to 0 implies that x square is equal to minus 1. Taking square root on both sides, so square root cancel, x is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1, so square root of minus 1 is equal to iota, so x is equal to plus minus iota. Next square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square minus 1 is the formula of a square minus b square, can also be opened in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So or x square is equal to 1. X taking square root on both sides, so x square root square cancel is equal to plus minus square root of 1. So square root of 1 is equal to 1, so x is equal to plus minus 1. Hence the fourth root, that is 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. Properties of fourth root of unity. First property, that is sum of all the fourth root of unity is 0, that is 1 minus 1 plus iota minus iota is equal to 0. Second property, the real fourth root of unity are additive inverse of each other. Real fourth root of unity and plus 1 in plus into minus 1 is equal to 0, is equal to minus 1 plus 1. So additive properties, that is additive inverse each other equal to 0. Third properties, that is both the complex fourth root of unity or conjugate of each other. Conjugate, that is iota and minus iota are complex fourth root of unity which are conjugate of each other. Fourth property, that is product of all the fourth root of unity is minus 1. 1 multiply into minus 1 multiply iota multiply minus iota, which is also equal to minus 1. It means minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into iota multiply minus 1 into minus iota square, so minus iota square gives value of plus 1, so plus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to minus 1, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.